Okay guys, I haven't had a putt on this green, so I have no idea what it's like. It's very, very slow. Hasn't been mowed for a few days. It's just a little practice range, public practice range, so the conditions are not salubrious. But you watch how it'll look like a little jab. But the good thing is that the club doesn't get offline. Now this is probably, I don't know, probably 28 feet, I suppose. So I've just got it locked in. So not much can go wrong. I mean, you can hit it, you know, not perfect off the blade, but you'll always get it down there. I mean, that's the worst you'll hit it. So you'll hit it sort of 8 inches from the hole. And they're alright for 28 feet, $5 putter. But the good thing is that that's the worst you'll do, guys. You won't do any worse than that. Now this green's a bit like a corrugated roof, but if you can see, and I'll just hit a couple more. It's only just been renovated in the last week, so it's really bumpy. But just watch what my hands, but what the club does. It just does that, guys. These old putters are wonderful. You know, with the Pro V ball, you just don't even feel the ball off the face. It's crazy. And it's interesting with these long blades, the sweet spot's in the heel. So you've got to be cognizant of that when you hit it towards the heel. And then your vector is coming off this big long hosel, so your sweet spot is, and the reason the sweet spot's there is because of the long hosel. That's just engineering. But it's, guys, I'll just hit a couple this way to show you again the action. It's this, guys. Feels like shut, open, shut, open. It feels like that, but it's actually square to square. If you take a putter back square to square, and if you put one on the on the door, the skirting board at home, down on the floor of a wall, and you put the toe of your putter up against it, and just take the toe of the putter back along the skirting board, and then through, and it'll feel like the putter shuts and opens, but it's just square to square, because clearly the skirting board is 90 degrees. So it's a feel, guys, because most of us rotate it, open it and rotate it. So it's basically just this. Just keep the fixed fulcrum. Billy Casper. Have a look at Billy Casper. Dig up some old video of YouTube of Billy Casper putting. It's amazing, guys, because the blade's always going through like that. You're always coming through like this. I'll actually hit some this way and you can see the blade. See how square the blade is? Okay guys, fixed fulcrum. Fixed fulcrum chipping and fixed fulcrum putting. I'll just hit a couple more of the fixed fulcrum chips for you, front on, so you can see what's going on. I get it at the back here, and nothing moves, just here. Exactly the same as the putting. That ball hit the other ball again. There it is, guys. As long as that right arm doesn't travel, you can't arc the putter. If you just keep it there and just do that, the putter's captive, it can't escape. Okay guys, just something to do with, and as I say on the JH Practice Tee, we want things that are simple, and that's about as simple as it gets. That will keep the putter dead square, and the blade of your golf club square when you chip the ball. Okay guys, I'll have to call this Simplicity Corner. Doesn't have to be difficult guys. Let's minimise the difficulty.